In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Stick War Legacy mod menu, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method gives you access to powerful in-game features, including unlimited gold, gems, and troops, allowing you to dominate every battle with ease. As you can see on the screen right now, the mod menu includes a wide range of options such as God Mode, Unlimited Gold, Unlimited Gems, Unlimited Troops, One-Hit Kill, Auto Win, and many more advanced features that completely change the gameplay experience on both iOS and Android. Before we get started, make sure your Stick War Legacy game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Stick War Legacy, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, all you need to do is head over to the pinned comment down below. In that pinned comment, I explain step by step where and how to get the Stick War Legacy Plus Plus. Follow the instructions exactly as shown to ensure everything works properly on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.